Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add HubSpot form in WordPress. So that's gonna be super simple. You just need to open your WordPress and right here we need to head over to plugins and just click on add plugin. Now we need to type in the search bar HubSpot. Then you'll see this plugin HubSpot CRM. So just click on install now. Once it is installed, you just need to activate it. So for that we have to click on activate. Once you activate the plugin, they'll redirect you to this and you'll see that the HubSpot is added to your WordPress. And now here in this page, if you don't have HubSpot account, you need to create one. So for that you can just sign up with your Microsoft account, your Apple ID, or you can also go with the Google account. Now I have already created the account, so I'll just click on sign in here. I had created my account by using Google, so I just need to click on this one, choose the Google account, and this is my account. So I'll just continue with this user. This is my account, so let's click on continue with this account and just click on connect website. And there you go, we have successfully connected the HubSpot to our WordPress and it's time for us to add form. So in that case we need to click on manage forms. Now if you have created forms before, you will see all of your forms and you can just choose from here, but in my case I'm just gonna create a new form, so I'll just click on create form now. On this window we need to choose the form type, so we'll go with embedded form and just let's click on next. On this window we need to choose the template. So for what purpose you gonna create this form, like if you want to let people contact you, registration, news, letter, sign up, support, for what purpose you're creating this form, we need to just choose that. And if you want to create the form from scratch, then you need to go with this one, and from there you can just get the blank one and you can just create the form according to you. I want to create the form for support, so I'll just choose this support button and I have these presets and I'm already happy with this, so I'll just click on create form. And then here you will see this window, so just click on WordPress shortcode, copy this code and just close this. Now we have the code of our form and that code we're gonna paste on the page where we want to add that support page. So in my case I want to add that to checkout page, so for that I need to open my website. So I'll just go to my blog and choose this my store option and just open it in new tab so that we can get back to WordPress anytime we want. And as I said, I want to add that form onto my checkout page, so I'll just open my checkout page here. Once you open the page where you want to add that form, just click on edit page, and it doesn't matter whether you want to add that on your blog or store, you can just follow the same process. Now on this edit page we need to scroll till the end. Let's click here and type / and here we need to type something like short code. Here it is, just select that, and now here we need to paste that code which we have copied before and just click on save. You can see that they have updated the page. Now if you go to checkout page to see whether they have added the form or not, let me click on checkout. If we scroll, you can see that they have added the support form. And yeah, that's how you can add HubSpot form to your WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.